Good afternoon. Several variants on the posture known as wave hands through clouds. Now, wave hands through clouds is an iconic movement in Tai Chi Chuan in all styles, and it's a lateral movement usually, but I'm going to show you a variant on that today. But first of all, the standard transfer of weight in the cloud hands, as you know, it's a, let's start from the single whip, okay, and then we come here. Now, 2 points. One is that the transfer, the big transfer, you understand what I mean? We take a big step here, okay? The hips lead, connect with the floor. That step is not so difficult. But now, my weight is here. You probably can't see it really clearly, but my weight is here. This side of the body. Now I'm going to transfer it to this side. So the movement is very minimal. This is not easy. Obviously transferring like this, one can sense the body far easier. It's much easier like that than this. But we need to feel that the whole one side of the body is shifting over to the other. This has to be practiced, obviously. This is not easy to get. Okay? So, transfer. Okay. Now everything is there here. So when I step, now this is a big movement. Now I'm going to shift this way, small movement. This side of the body is full. This side is empty. Big movement, big step. Bring the foot. That's not so difficult. Now, transfer everything to the other side. From here down into the ground, actually. Okay? So this has to be practiced. This is quite subtle, not that easy, but important. Another thing is, when we're transferring like this, what I have noticed is that, but I'm working on it, is that like my toes, they can, when I raise the foot off the ground, they're automatically, there's kind of a tension in my toes. Not really a tension, but a preparedness. It's like, I can't explain it, but what we need is to relax and open the toes. Now the toes here, the foot can go like this, a little bit. So you anchor the weight and the solidity in the foot, where it connects with the ground. So you have a root there. Now this, when I bring this over, I raise the foot from the hip and I relax the toes. This is subtle, but important. Relax the toes. Transfer. Anchor the body. Root it. Raise from the hip. Transfer. Toes are relaxed. Open. Toes open and relaxed. Okay? So you can practice this. Stepping. You don't need much space for that. Although, of course, if you want to do it on a major boulevard in the middle of the city, that's up to you. I used to say to my students sometimes, to practice a movement the whole length of a boulevard, it was like three miles long. And just being silly. Anyway, so that's that. Now, something else I wanted to discuss. The vertical wave hands through clouds with a very subtle transfer here. Okay, so vertical means instead of we're warding off like this, big movement. Okay, now another level, smaller circle. Okay, compact, small circle. The fighting form has more verticality to it. So we go up, 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 up. So the weight transfer is now subtle. Now this is the compact form, so the wrists should not go above the eyebrows or below the belt level, approximately here. And of course we respect this line here. If you think you're ready for this, give it a try. See how it feels. It's so important to feel the body. We really need to get in contact with our inner self. Sensation is the key to that. Ting jing, listening to the body. Ting jing, listening to the environment, listening to the opponent. Ting jing, very important skill to develop. If you haven't already checked it out, please have a look at my video on that subject on this channel. Okay, so there's some more information for you on the wave hands through clouds. Hope you can apply this to your work. Thank you for your attention. See you soon. Good practice.